Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Wakemaker Blueprint in Subnautica 2. The Wakemaker is one of the early underwater vehicles that you can acquire in the game. However, before you can craft it, you first need to find and scan the blueprint fragments. So first things first, use your life pod as your starting point for navigation. What you'll want to do is check the compass at the top and head around 330 to 345 degrees north. Keep swimming in that direction and eventually you'll come across this small debris site right here. Inside one of the broken metal boxes is a Wakemaker fragment that you'll want to scan using your scanner. Now, starting from this spot, head around 230 degrees southwest until you reach this crevice. Swim all the way down, and at the very bottom you'll find another Wakemaker fragment. For the last fragment, head back to your life pod and swim directly northeast until you spot this wreckage. Go below the first wreckage and you'll see this pipe. Enter through the pipe, and once you come out the other side, the final Wakemaker fragment will be sitting on the table to your right. After scanning all three fragments, this should unlock the Wakemaker Blueprint in your fabricator. And that's how to find the Wakemaker Blueprint in Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.